Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to reduce video file size without losing its quality. Imagine from 40 GB up to 1 GB only. Alright, from 1 gig to 50 MB. It's such a great thing. And to think without losing its quality, it's such a nice one. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is, of course, download the software Handbrake. It's actually free. It's totally for free. Anyone may use it. Okay, so let's try to download. Let me teach you how to download it. Alright, so proceed to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome right now. Then let's proceed to Google. Alright, then let's type in or let's search for Handbrake. And we will be redirected to the download link, alright, which is this one, the first one, okay? Downloads Handbrake. Let's click this one. This one will definitely help you to reduce the size of your videos without affecting or losing its quality, okay? Especially if you don't have enough storage, alright? So this is the actual logo of the software Handbrake. Okay, it is actually an open source video transcoder. Alright, so if you are using Mac OS, here are the download links. Okay, for Mac, for Windows, download 64-bit portable zip, and for Linux. Okay, if you are using Windows just like me, I'm currently using Windows right now, I'll definitely choose this one. Okay, download 64-bit. Right? And upon clicking this link, your download will automatically start. Okay? Then after that, install Handbrake. And since I've already have the software Handbrake with me in my laptop, okay, installed, let me teach you how to set the basic settings for us to convert or decrease the size of our videos without affecting its quality. Right? So let's open Handbrake. Alright, so here we go. Here's the actual workspace of Handbrake. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, of course, is to open a video that we will convert or reduce the quality. Okay, I have here a sample video. This one. Okay, here we go. Here's our sample video. We only have different buttons here that we need to set up. Okay, we have the summary, dimensions, filters, video, audio, subtitles, and chapters. Alright, so let's start with the summary. Make sure that you will click this web optimized. Next, dimensions. There's no other thing that you may touch here. Filters, the interlace, make sure that the comb is being turned off. Right? Then next, video. If you're going to move this one to the left, the lower the quality. If you're going to move this one to the right, the higher quality. Okay? But I usually use 27. Alright? Next, audio. I typically change my bitrate up to 192. That's it. Okay, now how are we going to start saving this one? Let's rename sample video. Right. Then browse. Then choose the folder in which you want to store this video. Save. Right. And you're good to go. Click this one, start encode. Then all you need to do is to wait for it to be finished. Then video reduced its size without affecting its quality. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something and see you next time.